In this tibial plateau fracture case, Ms. Morgan's lawyers, who had partnered with the Brady Law Group a number of times in the past, were unhappy with the settlement offer that she'd been given in this case. They asked us to come in and prepare animations and work the case up to fully show the biomechanics of the crash and the severity of her injury in the animation you're about to see. This is the parking lot of the local supermarket, the Rayleighs, where Ms. Morgan shopped, and as she's walking back to her car, this young woman looking for a spot strikes her right on her left knee. And you can see the front molding of the bumper hit her just below the knee in the tibial plateau of her left knee. It knocked Ms. Morgan to the ground, and here was the mismatch. The Chevy Avios sedan weighed about 2,300 pounds, the driver a little over 100 pounds, and Ms. Morgan only weighed about 130 pounds. So it wasn't a fair fight. Ms. Morgan was only hitting a 6 to 8 mile an hour impact, but that was enough to shatter the top of the tibia just below the knee and cause this tib-fib fracture, which required surgical reduction and repair involving a long plate and 6 screws. The defendant tried to claim that somehow it was Ms. Morgan's fault, but we actually had photos afterwards showing where the cat litter from Ms. Morgan's cart sprayed on the ground, which proved that she'd been in the marked crosswalk at the time of the impact. At the time that we were brought into the case, the offer from Farmers was $600,000. Just prior to trial at the final settlement conference, we were successful in obtaining a $1.1 million settlement for Ms. Morgan.